Okay, rolling.
Alright. Hi, we're about to open up this whatever, I don't know what it says, gift. Let's see.
Yay, cookies!
Background jazzy. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Look at this. Our first skin. So we got a lot. For y'all watching this, y'all gonna be salty. Salty like Salty Springs. Look at this, 1,000 V-Bucks. Wow! And this new skin and the pink eye, of course. We got the back part and we have the glider. What? No Christmas wrapping? It's season 7.
Boo.
You serious? Boo! I want wrapping.
Okay.
Open the big one. Alright. There's another one there. Alright. I'm gonna open this.
Anna, help him. Help do the big one. Oh, what is that? What's that?
I'm gonna open this one first. You seem so excited for us to open the big one.
Because I know you want it. Actually, I'm as excited as you guys to open the big one.
I know the layer. The overprotected that. Whoa, what's this? Oh, it's another one. Oh, another one for here. Yay. Oh, I get it. Also, YouTube.
Xbox One, that one.
If you watch it, we have a PS4 here and a PS4 at our dad's. Alright, Jill, it's a big finale. Alright, let you get this corner, I get this corner. Rip it! Wait, what?
What's it say?
Not VR.
It's not a VR. So it's not what you think it is. I know you want a VR so bad, but it's not a VR. What is it? What is it? What do you think it is?
Hey, it is a PlayStation VR. What is this? What is this? I think that's just a bunch of games you can download. Whoa, what's this?
That's all the parts to it.
Oh my gosh.
Is he really sleeping?
No, he's not.
I don't suppose
Whoa.
you guys want to hook it up.
Alright, let's see. We have you. This is probably for you.
Oh, I want to see you play Doom.
Oh god. No, I'm not playing Doom.
Actually, you know what's a really scary game? The guy said Resident Evil 7.
I don't think there's anything else. Wow, I'm the smart one here. This is so cute. Engineering, bro.
I can't wait to try it.
Hey.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Wait, are there sticks?
Oh yeah, I have sticks at home.
Oh, alright.
Oh, I didn't get that part.
You didn't get the Skyrim on VR?
We couldn't find it, but it doesn't matter because
Think you can find it online.
they don't have what do you call it? You don't have stickers and stuff to put in the game anyways.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Nate. We're gonna have lots of fun with this tomorrow.
Do I look Kanan? Oh
No, actually, it looks pretty good.
Well, this is
Fine,
actually
he's
really
not doing nothing wrong.
Well, I'm glad you love it.
It would be so awesome to play Skyrim like this. Are you gonna open the rest of your presents or not?
What rest of the
All right.
There's more?
I think that's so much.
Anything else you want to say before we log off?
For later?
I had a blast at opening
Should I open all of them
presents.
or what?
Cool.
I want to open some